Hey, this is Brad from Kolstrand. Today we're taking a look at our 26-inch power block. This one here is set up with all the bells and whistles that we offer for this power block. Starting with the 6-port hydraulic swivel, which allows you to spin the block 360 degrees and not have hoses all over the rigging and whatnot. We also have that in conjunction with our power grip arm as well. Our power grip for the wheel motor is mounted nicely inside this can here, and all of the adjustment for the wheel speed is all nicely tucked up inside here so it doesn't snag any web or anything. We have two options for tires on this block. We have a wide tire and a narrow tire. This is the narrow tire we have, and you can see how far down into the block here that tire allows you to pinch the net. So that, in conjunction with our large cleat design here, which we offer both in rubber cleats and also in aluminum cleats, which is a high profile aluminum cleat, definitely helps with net traction. We finish that all off with our 6000 series drive that we have on here. This is a modification that you can put onto an existing power block if you have a white RE motor and you're looking for a little bit more pull, or you're putting a lot of oil up the boom to the block. This fully seals the shaft seal around the pinion gear. It then also allows you to grease the shaft seal here, and any excess grease that you put into this block then goes directly onto the ring gear to help you also lubricate the ring gear at the same time. For any more information on this block, go ahead and go to kolstrand.com or give one of our sales team a call, and they'll be more than happy to answer any of your questions.